prepare the NAD's nose wax for men and women, warm the wax in the microwave following the instruction leaflet. Gently stir the wax to ensure a uniform consistency. The wax is ready when it has the consistency of thick honey. Carefully check the temperature of the wax with a small amount on the inside of your wrist before proceeding. For nose waxing, first clean inside your nose with a tissue. If you have a moustache or stubble, apply a moustache stencil to protect the area. Dip the SafeTip end of the NAD's applicator into the wax. Ensure the wax covers the entire base of the collar but does not dip deeper than the collar itself. Twist the applicator out of the wax to prevent the wax from dripping and tap the applicator on the rim of the jar to remove any excess wax. Immediately pull down on your upper lip and insert the SafeTip into the nose. The collar should sit outside the nostril. Do not move or twist the applicator once it's been inserted. Leave the SafeTip inside the nostril for at least 90 seconds, but not more than 2 minutes. It is important to time this with a watch to ensure the wax has set properly. Hold the stem of the applicator tightly and pull down in one swift movement. Finish by wiping the inside of your nostrils with the NAD's antibacterial wipe.